Hey everybody, my name is Garbo. I am talking about my Johari window, um, and I actually really liked this assignment. I really liked what I got out of it, and I feel like I was able to see more about myself than I kind of figured. Okay, so let's start with the open window. This is what others see about me or how I present myself, my cultural identity, or just physically how I look or how I come across. Um, Big things here is that I find myself to be pretty generous and loving with friends, that I'm happiest hanging out at home with the people that I love. I'm also pretty easily distracted. I tend to focus a lot on feedback that I get too. Okay, blind window. This is what I can't see about myself, but others tell me. Um, they let me know that I was a good problem solver, that I kind of just let people be who they are, that I can be self-righteous about things, um, and that I have trouble multitasking. This was good to see, something that I was kind of aware of, but it's always a good reminder to kind of get some reflection. Um, Hidden. So this is things that I keep to myself that are not known to others, or are items that I disclose at my discretion. In this case, kind of lighter things, like I really do love some trashy reality TV. And then things that I'm working on for myself. So I think it's really important that I continuously work on being a good listener, um, and that I do think patience is a virtue and something that I don't have as a virtue, but I'm trying to cultivate. Um, Unknown. So these are things that are not known to me and not known to others. So looking out into the future, um, the questions I kind of connected with for myself is, how will my values change over time? What will retirement look like for me? What will my career look like? What will my family look like? Will I ever learn another language, or how many dogs will I have? After taking the quiz, I was squarely someone who solicits a lot of feedback. I open my window into my blind spot by just soliciting and soliciting feedback. I think as I do focus on improvement, but probably to the detriment of um, not letting myself also be seen. So my hidden window is still pretty covered, and I kind of shy away from uh, disclosure. And what I've learned is that I think I had this impression that I couldn't see myself very well, but I was actually easier to define my qualities and how I come across than I thought, which was really, really reassuring. I think also, as someone who's pretty self-critical, I was looking for blind spots and saying like, well, these are all going to be terrible that I can't see. And the blind spots I got weren't bad, and that was very comforting. Um, I think I just need to be a little bit more confident in who I am and a little bit more comfortable opening up to open up my Johari window. That's my works cited. Okay.